Hello guys, welcome to Recitation 16. Um, I'll immediately share the recitation slides for us to see what's going on here. Okay, so this is the first problem in the recitation quiz. It says a car speeds past you, sounding its horn at a frequency of that. So we know the Doppler's effect as the car is coming towards you. The frequency you hear will be louder than the actual frequency, and then when the car recedes from you as a stationary observer, the frequency you hear becomes shorter or lesser than the actual frequency it's emitting. So that's why the correct answer here is A. Is higher than 1000 as it approaches, then drops to value less than 1000 hertz as it moves away. Then the others are not correct. Okay. Then the second problem says both graphs below represent the same wave. What is the speed of the wave? So one is in time, the other one is in distance. So don't use both to. So do the time one. Your period here is 2 for one cycle. This is what I was explaining in the homework problem. So you have one amplitude up, one amplitude down. That's two amplitude, one amplitude down, one amplitude up. So you always have 4 amplitudes in one cycle. So here in this cycle for this period, you have 2 seconds for your period. So your frequency will be 1 over 2 seconds, so which will be 0.5, 1 over the period. And then your wavelength here, you use the distance, one for your wavelength is 3 meters. So you have 0.5 times 3, velocity is f times lambda. F is 0.5, 1 over 2 from here. Lambda is 3, so 3 times 0.5 gives you 1.5 meters per second as your speed. And then for this one, for the intensity, I might have to use the board to explain this one. So you just put 20 decibels here, and then you solve for I, putting I naught to be 10 to negative 12. So if you do that, okay, I'm going to challenge you. If you put 20 here, this 10 divides both sides. So you have 2 left here. 2 equals log to base 10 of I over I naught. So to take out this log, this 10, the base 10, comes here to the power of the 2 left here. You cancel 0 from 20 and 10. So 10 to the 2 equals I over I naught. That's all you're solving. 10 to the 2 equals I over I naught. To take out the log, the 10, base 10 comes and takes the 2 there up and the log disappears. So if you do 10 to the power 2 equals I over I naught, and I naught is 10 to the negative 12. So I will be I naught times 10 to the 2, which is I naught times 10 to the 2 is 10 to the negative 12 times 10 to the 2. That is how you have 10 to the negative 10 here, okay, as the correct answer. I'll challenge you to be able to put that down yourself and get these answers right when you put this beta here to be 20 and solve for I. We are finding I in this. And this is the end of the problem for the recitation 16. And I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.